Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Take a piece of pork carbonate, about 1.5 pounds or 700 grams. Cut it into slices, as shown in the video. This is one of those dishes that starts simply with a piece of pork and a few spices, but brings back the feeling of meals shared around the table when life moved just a bit slower. Friends, I'd be so happy to hear where you're from. Let me know your city, country, and if you're in the US, your state too. Place the pork in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. One teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well so every piece is coated. If you have any questions about the recipes, leave them in the comments, and I'll respond as soon as I notice them. Cover with plastic wrap. Place it in the refrigerator to marinate for 30 minutes. Take 1 onion, cut it into quarters as shown in the video. If you liked the video, feel free to give it a like. Your support is always welcome. Pour some olive oil into a frying pan. Add 1/4 stick or 30 grams of butter. Let it melt. Friends, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more recipes like this one. Add the onion pieces and saute gently. The smell of onions and butter always fills the kitchen with a kind of warmth that feels like home. Next, finely chop 1 garlic clove. Add it to the onions. Stir well. Slice 2 green chili peppers. Add them to the pan. Stir it again. Then chop 1 red chili pepper. Add that as well. Stir and let everything cook together for 2-3 minutes. These steps might seem small, but they build the heart of the dish layer by layer. Take the marinated pork out of the fridge. Remove the plastic wrap. Place the pork into the pan with the vegetables. Stir lightly. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. One teaspoon of black pepper. Pour in 1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of water. Mix well. Cover with a lid. Let it stew for 30 minutes. Now, pour water into a saucepan. Add 1 cup or 200 grams of rice. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir well. Cover with a lid. Let it cook on low heat until tender. Next, cut 1 lime in half. Squeeze the juice from 1/2. Pour it into a large bowl. Do the same with 1 lemon. I remember watching my grandmother do this with her hands. No fancy tools, just patience and love. Always saying that fresh lemon makes everything taste like summer. Finally, chop 1 bunch of cilantro. Add it to the bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. When the rice is fully cooked, pour it into the bowl with the citrus and spices. Mix well until the rice absorbs all the fresh flavors. I always love this part. The colors, the scent, the freshness of it all. Then chop 1/2 a bunch of iceberg lettuce, as shown in the video. put it in a salad bowl. Chop 1 cucumber and add it to the bowl. Add it in. Slice 1/2 of a red onion. Add it in. Grate 1 garlic clove on a mini grater. Add that too. Chop 1 bunch of parsley. Putting together a crisp salad like this always brings me back to family gatherings, where every meal had that fresh, crunchy side to balance out the richness. Add it to the mix. Next, pour over the salad 1 tablespoon of wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Toss gently until well mixed. Stirring it all together reminds me of sitting at the table as a child, watching the colors blend and waiting for the first bite. Check on the pork. Stir it again. When it's nearly done, add 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Mix well. Chop 1 red bell pepper. Add to the pork. Stir again. Chop a bunch of green onions. them to the pan. Stir everything one last time. When the pork is done, remove it from the heat. Place a portion of rice on a plate. Add the pork with vegetables. Finish with a serving of the crisp, fresh salad. That's it, a flavorful pork dish with citrusy herb rice and a fresh garden salad. It's a meal full of contrast, warm and savory, fresh and zesty. I hope this recipe brings joy and comfort to your table, just like it does to mine. Thank you for cooking with me today. Until next time, happy cooking.